Hi everyone, once again this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, delicious, and healthy home-cooked recipe. Today, I will share a new recipe that is delicious and healthy that would fit to your budget. To those who already follow my channel, thanks for being with me again. For those who are new here, I hope you can able to finish this video and subscribes at the end of this video. Today's recipe is stir-fry tofu with mushrooms. Write in the comment what country you are watching my video. Subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. To start, we need 1 pack or 200 grams of tofu. Remove from packaging, drain, cut between the middle, and cut into 2. It's not surprising that you don't like tofu. I mean, tofu isn't a food which we fall in love with instantly like that. It's a food that grows on you. It doesn't have much flavor. The texture is alien, and it isn't exactly beautiful to look at. So why would you expect to fall in love with it immediately? 200 grams of shimeji mushroom. If it's not available in your place, then use any edible mushrooms. Cut the roots, wash gently, and set aside. What are the health benefits of eating mushrooms? Mushrooms boost your immune system, lower blood pressure, support weight loss, supply vitamin D, protect brain health, maintain heart health, and improve gut health. You may ask if mushrooms are safe. The answer is depends. Mushrooms you buy in a store are generally safe unless you have an allergy to mushrooms or mold. Remember, mushrooms are fungi. Wild mushrooms you find in nature are much riskier to eat. Get half from the red bell pepper. Remove the ends, slice and remove the seeds. Then slice and put in a bowl. If you are asking, why should we have bell pepper in a dish? Because red bell peppers are rich in many vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamin C and various carotenoids. It improved eye health, reduced risk of several chronic diseases, protection against diseases such as cardiovascular disease and some cancers, relieving arthritis, supporting immune function, facilitating cell repair and aiding in the absorption of folate. Now get 3 pieces of spring onions and cut. This recipe is made easy for you to follow, and I do hope you can able to finish this video. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what would like to see next. Chop or mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Explore our playlist for more healthy home-cooked recipes. Have a handful of ginger cut, slice, and minced. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to always be updated. What are your views? Tell us in the comments. In a bowl, put a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Add water and thoroughly mix. In a heated pan with vegetable oil, fry the tofu. This won't take long, it only needs 3 minutes to flip it. And wait until the other side turn into brown too. Now remove them from a pan and set them aside. The cooking oil is too much for this recipe. We have to remove some. Then, start sauteing the garlic and ginger. Just keep on stirring until the aroma comes out. Can you still follow the recipe? Now add the mushrooms and continue cooking until it comes watery. This make takes at least 3 minutes. Now add the spring onion and continue cooking for 1 minute. Add the bell pepper. Add the tofu and mix with the ingredients. Now add the liquid ingredients, and once it started to boil, turn off the heat. Now if you don't like eating tofu before, with this recipe you will love it. Not only with its yummy, delicious taste, but also the vitamins and minerals it gives to our body. Tofu is a plant-based food that can offer several health benefits, such as providing high levels of calcium, manganese, iron, vitamin B5, and essential amino acids, reducing bone loss or increasing bone mineral density, improving memory, attention, processing speed, and brain function, easing menopause symptoms and reducing hot flashes, preventing heart disease and lowering cholesterol levels, enhancing skin and hair quality, helping maintain a healthy weight, and preventing obesity. I do hope you learn and enjoy with this video. Subscribe and turn on notification bell for you to always updated.